Hello, 7th grade scientists. We are looking at our research project that you are doing in your science classrooms. There's a couple of things that I wanted to help you with in case you needed some more information. Your assignment is about cells and you are needing to work together with partners. So your objective on this is to make sure that you use different sources to collaborate with the people that you've been assigned to in your group. It's very important that y'all work together and that everybody's voice is being heard. And sometimes some tools may be more user-friendly than others for some people in your group. So you want to use at least 2 to 3 different ways that y'all can communicate with each other. The essential question that you're going to be trying to answer together is, what are the relationships among cells, tissue, organs, and organ systems in plants and animal organisms? So you're going to be working on that question together, but using different sources. So if you go onto this page, you can see here that I have a list of suggested sources for you, and I will make sure that you are selecting that you are a student so that you are sure to get that student free account when you sign up. Okay, and a lot of these other resources, I know that we've already used them throughout the year at different times, but I just wanted to kind of show you the page again so that it could refresh your memory. This would be more maybe if you're doing like your thought web at the beginning when you're first gathering your information to try and answer your question. You may want to do more kind of like thought bubbles, and this would allow you to all collaborate and add stuff together. If you wanted to use this website, make sure that when you do, again, you should have the student logins. If you have lost those or misplaced those, I will be happy to get those for you again. One that you might not be using in the classes often is a blog. Your group may decide to do a blog so that it's almost like a diary page. You could go ahead and start your own page and then just add thoughts, comments, websites that you may want to look at for possible answers, and that way everybody would be able to see it and everybody would be able to contribute in there, and that would be another good way to keep good notes on what your group is doing. If you have any questions about any of this, make sure that you are getting together with me or with your science teacher, and we would be more than happy to help you. So good luck with all your work.